I was always guided by a statement of Drucker. He said, be aware of outside reality. This is an advice which he gave to managers. And this is something which guided me all the time. And when we are thinking in terms of XIME, this is something which drove me. Be aware of outside reality. In other words, be aware of the economy, the society, economic development, and see what you could do for the society, for the economy. Now let me take you back to the name, XIME. We were the first to put E, embed this letter E in the name itself, entrepreneurship. 1991, there was a time when very few people spoke about entrepreneurship. But that time itself we thought about entrepreneurship, which led us to establish an incubation center, and which also led us to establish or offer any number of entrepreneurship development programs, particularly for the marginalized people. Now, soon we are going to have a huge conclave of all our alumni entrepreneurs, because we are committed and convinced that we should make some meaningful contribution to entrepreneurship development. From there we moved on and said, no, that is not enough. Both in the field of management education and for the economy, we should make our contribution. So we never defined us as the narrow sense of business school, educate children and send it and place them. That's not the way. We always thought we must be making contribution to society and the economy. Therefore, what are the things we have done? We had a series of seminars on business education, international seminars, 5 or 6 of them in the last 10 years, big ones. And we also had some, for example, 20th year of liberalization of India. That was 2011. 2011 we had 3 seminars we organized, 20 years of India's liberalization. Now, then we came up to this particular topic, and we said, it's a fantastic topic, fantastic idea. Now, Prime Minister was really innovative when we coined this expression, Make in India. And Make in India led to a huge amount of interest in the country. Both businessmen, industrialists, academicians, economists, bureaucrats. There was a rallying point in the country around this Make in India. Now 5 years are now over, we thought this is a time to revisit and ask the question, did it work the way in which the Prime Minister wanted it to work? If it hasn't to the extent that he wanted, what is it that we can do as business schools, as industry, as partners? That is the aim of this conference. Make in India, make it work still better. It has worked, but make it still better. And I want to repeat again, I never come across a slogan like this, Make in India. And we compliment and congratulate the Prime Minister for coming with his slogan and announcing that from the ramparts of Red Fort on Independence Day of 2014. 5 years now, we are revisiting with all commitment in this idea and all the support that we can provide to that. We will bring together some of the best brains in the country and debate and discuss and reason together and see how can we make it still better. That's the kind of contribution that we hope XIME would make. And we have a number of partners in this project. We have CII, we have ASSOCHAM, we have FICCI, we have MEITI, LCR, our own Management Schools Association, AIMS, all of them are partnering with us in launching and making this program effective. And we're looking forward to the contribution of a number of leading thinkers, practitioners from the field appearing on our stage here in our auditorium at the campus. I'm sure we would make some contribution to the thinking and practice in the field of Make in India.